What's up, everybody? It's Coach D, and today is day 2. I've been trading, doing the $10 challenge, starting with $10, taking it up to 65K, 65,180 trading days. So today I finally took a loss, but it wasn't really a bad loss because I was just tired. I had woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Just needed my rest. I finally got some rest around 8 o'clock in the morning, but I had a trade in place, so I just put a 10 pip stop loss. And when I woke up, the trade was up actually 40 pips, but it hit my stop loss. And it was only for $2.28. But, you know, you win some, you lose some, you can't win them all. So I just continue to stick to my plans. Another opportunity came on the GBPUSD sale, and I made over a month profit. I'm 27 days ahead now in over the last 6 hours because of this trade. I got 46 pips, and now I'm up to $37.69. So my second day of doing this challenge, almost quadrupled my funds. That's the power of Forex. And to prove to you guys, let me see where we at. 27. You see day 27. I should have about $27.35. You see I'm just over that. So my next goal is to continue filling this up as quick as possible. Start getting to the big money and show you guys how I continue to win by just getting 20 pips or more a day. If you want to learn how to do this, get in contact with me. It doesn't take much. I can show you some free things, and I can show you how to get on our paid team and learn even faster. Have a great day.